All right. With these closed pretty good. Notice now it's not working. Okay, that's the problem. So all I did, fix the other one. Just put it in like that. Squeeze a little bit. Go on the other side. Let's see if this is going to work, huh? Squeeze. So, let's see. No, not quite. Okay. Squeeze it again. Let's do it again on this side. I think it's going to work. Aha! Look at that sucker. There you go. I can feel it's much tighter. Both of them work now. Look at that, Phil. So this is the proper zipper tool. Just a small pair of clamps like this with the big wide mouth. There's all my cars. Here's my gizmo. There it is. Fantastic. Problem solved. Thanks, Phil.